Hello, science teachers. Welcome to Real Science Challenge. I'm Kent Louie, teaching science and broadcasting from beautiful Vancouver, Canada. And the holidays is the time of gift cards. And according to a retail survey, the gift card is the second most popular gift. But what do we do with these guys afterwards? Well, save your gift cards, because today we discuss how to use these guys in a science lesson about matter and upcycling. Handouts for this episode can be found at realsciencechallenge.com EP24. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gift cards are convenient, but an awful thing to give because of the waste. If you think recycling is the answer, well, think again. According to a 2017 study, only 9% of plastics actually get recycled, and almost 80% end up in landfills. So, what do we do with the plastic gift card after we're done with it? Well, one thing I've taught students to do with gift cards is create a cell phone holder or a cell phone stand like this one. Ta-da! You'll need any gift card so long as it's plastic. And you'll need a candle and some matches and a pair of scissors to cut the gift card. First, what you're going to do is you're going to mark out the gift card, like so. Check out those markings on the back. Then, take a pair of scissors and cut along those markings. And eventually, you'll get something that looks like this. See, this one's all cut up. It's nice and you can bend it. Notice that we have two long pieces that are cut here. And we have two smaller pieces that are cut on top. There you go. Now it's time for the fire. Take the gift card you just cut up, light up your candle, and what we're going to do is we're going to wave over the flame the part of the gift card that we want to bend. So that's where we kind of cut into. So I'm going to wave this part over the flame because I want to bend it. So let's go over, put it over, and the plastic's going to get really soft real quickly. And once it becomes soft and malleable, you're going to bend it into place, like so. And then wait a few seconds, let it cool, and once it cools, it will hold in place. And afterwards, see, there you go. Afterwards, we're going to do exactly the same thing, except this time on the other side. We're going to hold that part over the flame. Let's see it again. So hold it over the flame. Once it becomes soft and malleable, we're going to bend it into place. Wait a few seconds and let it set. And this is all made possible because of what happens to matter as it gets heated up. As you add energy, the particles start moving faster and further apart. And as a result, in plastic, it becomes more easily moldable. Conversely, when it starts to get cold or cool down, energy is taken away, it starts to become more rigid because the particles start coming together closer. So with regards to these gift cards, we can just repeat cycle. Hold over the part that we want to heat up, becomes malleable, particles move further apart, becomes easier to mold into place, let it cool, and then it holds in place. Do it one more time, all four corners, heat it up, loosen those particles, bend it into place. When it cools down, particles come together, becomes more rigid, and it sets. Oh, there you go. And in a couple minutes, you have yourself a nice cell phone stand. It's a pretty easy and fun way to tie in a concept like matter with plastic gift cards. And it also allows us to make something useful and take these out of the landfill. And perhaps you can also make this a bit of a contest for your students to see who can make the funnest phone stand by varying the gift cards. Because they don't have to be Starbucks cards, just so long as they're plastic cards. That's it for today. Please leave a comment in the section below if you're trying or have tried this with your class, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, the science everywhere, every day.